Jesse Matthew, we got him with this one. Jay Fink, I see you. Lil Story, I see you too. I'm living in that 22nd century, one level ahead. I never stop going while your light is on red. My sight is on bread, cheese, collard greens, and I'm high off this shit. So please pardon me. Sorry for poverty in these streets, I believe, but Skizzy Mob got me teaching Nelly's on these beats. Jay Fink on the beat. And these losers ain't ready for defeat, they already obsolete. Me, I'm a winner, chicken dinner when it's cold. We rockin' Montclairs in the winter, I'm on everybody's top 5 list. Schindler's weekend trips to Milan like in Sir, a little faded. Swear to this kind, I got a couple drinks in. Niggas didn't bother, scared trying to work this shit out like diets. We about to go off like sirens. And when I look in the mirror, I see greatness. We high with the spaceships, it's Swedish, Jamaican. With the suit, I'm like a young black pirate. And we about to go off like sirens. I'm like a ball player who is in his prime with these rhymes. They claim that the flow is sublime, but this is what I got. And in the meantime, going up. These motherfuckers got insular views like they stand through peepholes. I got insular views, extra is the street clothes. Goofies either give it up or tease like Tito. I'm trying to smash, not kick it like Ito. I really like Porsches, reservations at Dorsey, Lacoste. Shows and parties for those who cost, yeah. No losses here, only victorious. Life is so glorious, lasting notorious. I'm a fresh guy, Whole Foods, Cinderella, Isabella's outdoor seats, eating Portobello. Mushrooms, house got much room, mad ritual, everyone designs a prenuptial. Never rock clean, but I keep a rubber band so I compress the money as that shit gets hands. Keep the snapbacks, Skizzy got cash tags. My artist on Picasso, your artist on abstract. And the guys say no homo, but that nigga got swag. S-Squad, they be rockin' all the shit I been had. With this loot, I'm a young black pirate. We about to go off like sirens. No chocolate, a nigga got bars. Ladies love Mars like the ladies astronauts. Put the Skizzy on Park Ave, down to Rikers. And I'm about to go off.
Window to wake you up, I see you smile, sleepy girl, come on down, let me up. Now that window's closed, to your heart, to your soul. Cause no matter how hard you hold, you always gotta let go. And we were young, trying to fight the world a mile a minute. The poison took, I guess everybody has a limit. Sometimes I think whether things could have been different, but it's hard to change your mind when nobody wanna listen. It ain't a dream and it's never what it seems. We could believe, but they never let us be. It's hard to see when you living in a storm, and the struggle of it all got you thinking that it's wrong. But that flame burns strong, and even though you're gone, I know that flame burns on. That's why I wrote the song. It's not to call you back, but tell you that I won't forget. Through the pain, the change, there's no regrets.
Hold you like a want, so I can feel in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and save you. We've known too many false alarms. Can't seem to hold you like I want, so I can feel in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and save you. We've known too many false alarms.
I said I'm sorry cause I know you're stressing. I see the hurt in your eyes, I can't help, damn the whole thing is so depressing. I wish I could've been, should've had, didn't do. Now the time is up and I'm stuck here missing you. But we got stopped on that ticking clock. Time fades all, you missed it on your mission to the top. Take a moment, let it go, gotta move, gotta break through. Gotta keep it real, there's no chance I'll replace you. I made a monster myself, baby girl. Heart of stone, no regard for the problems of the world. A boy with a dream, a monster with a match, a trail of gasoline, and all I do is it's just me now, the wifey on a speed dial. Every day's a new day, so what's it gonna be now? Cause if I could, I'd be waiting in your living room, telling you you to hurry up, it's getting late, let's make a move. But that don't change, we got lost on that foggy day. And I would stay, but I'm off to another place. Cause life's a song, every memory's a melody. I wrote this verse in the hopes you'd remember me.
Kissing, I hold you like I want to, so I can feel in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and stay. We've known too many false alarms. Kissing, I hold you like I want to, so I can feel in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and stay. We've known too many false alarms.
Second nature now, mama said I make her proud. I told her I made a vow just to wait around. In the year I'll put her in a house on the shore or on a coast or an island. And every month I'd hop on a plane to fly in and take her shopping, whatever she wants I'm buying. She made me who I am, I got the heart of a lion. Yeah, and for that mama I'm gratified. Grinding harder than everybody, so please don't act surprised when you see me pass your eyes quickly as I'm passing by. Grinding boys, trap or die, homie, I'm a mastermind. I got a smile on every day, got a taste of the good life and I'm here to stay. I'm used to questions, so everybody ask away. Hey, it's time to get high, homie, so pass the J.
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling. If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling.
Good vibes is the only thing we giving off. Oh, you say that you feeling it. Haters didn't get the invite, huh? But I bet that they hearing this, making noise off the Richter. Kodak lifestyle, you better take a picture. Magazine centerfolds, now I'm thinking bigger. Fuck the average Joe, boy, you know I'm trying to differ. And so far I think I'm doing it. Anything is possible, and boy, I think I'm proving it. People looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. Yeah, they looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. I got their hands to the ceiling. Boy, it's indescribable, I can't explain this feeling. My life's so appealing, cause boy, I'm living for right now. All you people wearing suits better pipe down. Rest.
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling. If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling.